Hey guys, it's Angie. Me and Zip here. Want to show you what I picked up at yard sales today. So let's get started. Obviously I picked up this little Zip monkey. He's a little bit creepy. My mom spotted him from the car and said, "Look at that monkey." They wanted a lot for him, but we could tell he was so old. They wanted $30 for him and I said, "What's the best you'll take?" They said 25 and I said, "Yeah, I was thinking more 20. And she said, "Sold." So we picked up Zip the monkey for $20 and I think he's gonna sell for between 80 and 100 bucks. Not bad for a little scary monkey. So today here in Florida, it was a beautiful, beautiful day for yard sales. Lots of people were out shopping today. It was really fun. We didn't have really good luck with very many yard sales today until we found a church yard sale where we hit the jackpot on a bunch of things. With this video, I'm going to show you all the things that are non-clothing. And then I'm going to do a separate video for the clothing haul for another day because there's about 30 items that I picked up for such a cheap price and I want to show you those. I did go to one yard sale and they had two cool stuffed animals. This was a little Woody. He's actually pretty tall and I paid $1 for him. They also had this My Little Pony. She's pretty big. Not sure which one it is yet, but I'll look it up. And for $1, I thought it was a pretty good deal. Pretty much everything that I'm about to show you only cost us $10 total. First thing is a Bible. Now this one happens to not be worth a whole lot, but I always tell you to pick up Bibles because a lot of them sell. My mom picked up a bag of these and what they are just spool heads for the string trimmers. These sell for $9 each at Walmart. There's 9 of them, so we'll just lot them up in little sets and sell them on eBay. If you ever see craft kits, guys, make sure you pick them up. We found this one right here. It's a Behold Angel of Peace. And I already listed this one today for $30. And this one right here, also brand new and sealed. I already have this listed for $59 on eBay. Another thing that I picked up, and you should be on the lookout for this, there was a very, very old electric blanket. I went and removed the controller because the controller is what's money. That blanket no one would have wanted, but this thing right here will sell for sure. I did find 2 things that were new and sealed. It's an Adele live concert, DVD and CD, and this is U2. I like to pick up things when they're new and sealed because they always go for at least double the price of what you can get pre-owned things for. I did find these only pair of shoes I found were these Vans, but I liked them. They were kind of interesting and they look like to be in pretty good condition. Here's something really interesting. This is called a speed tufting tool. I did not know what it was for, but it's for carpeting. And you can see right here what it looks like. This one right here was actually, if you look, it still has all of the paperwork and everything inside, the registration card. I actually found 2 of these. This one is used and I already listed it for $59.95. And this one is brand new and I listed it for $100. The next thing I thought was super cool was this Donald Trump Make America Great Again book. It actually comes with really neat pins and other items throughout the book. I had never seen one like this, and used it's still going to sell for about $25. I picked up this Merrymaker's Nativity Stable, and I had thought that I only had this, and I actually already listed this. We found this in the bottom of our box afterwards. I already had listed the stable, so I'm going to take it down and put this all together because it's a really cute set. And here I thought I had only got the stable. The next thing I got was this Angelica. She is like a karaoke doll. I still haven't tested her, but how cool is she? And it comes with a little microphone for you to sing into if you wanted to. The next thing I picked up were 3 of these. They are LED Whirl Emotion projectors. These are actually made from Gemmy, and they're actually pretty neat. This one says Happy Halloween, and this one is like a scary face. And my favorite is the witches that you can project onto your house or onto a garage door. I just thought they were really cute. Then I found another little Rugrat. He makes this crazy noise and he does this with his hands. Unfortunately, he didn't have any clothes, but I think I still might be able to sell him just as is. Obviously somebody had a Rugrats collection, because then I found this. She is on roller skates and she kind of looks like a detective. She's a pretty good plush, I think. I did find 3 hats. This Adidas hat is a snapback. This Nike hat, which is adjustable. It looks like it is new. It just doesn't have the regular tag. And then the best one is this Goofy hat. Now he needs cleaned up just a little bit, but I'm thinking I can easily clean him up. How cool is that? If you ever find these little loveys, they're little blankets with the plush attached to them, they sell really well. Some people sell them super high. I never get a super high price, but you can definitely get between $12 and $17 for them, and I just think it's so cute and soft. Then I found this guy, and I thought he was a Puffalump from back in the day. He is not, but he's still cute, and I looked him up. He has a parachute, and he sells for about $30. I did find a number 80 Serta sheep. It's because it's for their 80th anniversary. Thought that was cute. I hadn't seen an 80 one before. Look at this guy. I can't believe I found him. Unfortunately, his back of his shirt is so dirty. I'm going to have to try to figure out what I'm going to do with that. But he actually has one of these pull tabs. Oh Lord. I mean, he's like so scary. But he's vintage and super cool. Then I found a Tigger watch. You can see there. His arms are straight up and down. He is made for the Disney store. I don't know how old he is, and I will obviously have to get a battery for him, but he was too cool just to leave there. Anytime there's a little bag of toys and I can throw it into my box, I definitely do. I have not looked these up, guys. Maybe you can recognize some of these and let me know who they are. I think he might be from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Never saw this guy before, but he's pretty cool. And he has a Santa? No. Okay, that would be a really scary ass Santa if that was a Santa. My bad. Then there's these ones, but I think they're all cheap. Probably will just be redonated to somebody. Then the next thing was this little Hallmark. Came in a box. Wasn't sure what it was, but anytime I have Hallmark collectibles, I like to pick those up. And this one I thought was super cool. It's called Starting Out. And he's like, let's get this stuff going. I thought it was super interesting, and I bet you he's in a series. And then the last group of things I got were bags. The first one was this super cute Mickey bag. The first one was this super cute Mickey backpack. You can see the back there. And it comes with this matching wallet. Isn't that cute? Then I actually picked up several Vera Bradley bags. Some people don't like to pick up Vera, but if I get a great deal and they still are super bright, I will pick them up. I found this one. This is kind of a medium size shoulder bag. Then I found this. It's really pretty. It's an insulated tote. Perfect for lunch. It's still nice and bright. Blue is my favorite color, so I found this cute little bag, and you can see the straps still look great. There's no wear on any of them. That is when you can pick them up, because once the straps start to get nasty, there's really no saving them. And then the best one that I got was this beautiful Vera backpack. Look how bright it still is, guys. Back to school and college will be coming before you know it. So I think this one will do really well. And then finally, the last thing that went into the box was this really nice Hallmark ornament. It's a special edition 4-piece set. It's from 1996. Lots of people like to collect ornaments, and I thought it was really neat that it's a nativity. It says $2, but it came in my $10 box. Alright guys, that was it. What do you think? So basically that set was total $32. $20 for my crazy monkey, $2 for the big plush, and $10 for everything else. I think I did pretty good. As always, if you're a viewer and you're interested in something, please let me know. I'll definitely try to get you a good deal on that item. And I'll also be doing the clothing haul that I got today, also for $10. I think right about 30 items, so it was a really good haul. Okay guys, I'm here in Florida, living the dream. I hope you had a great weekend, and I will see you soon. Bye!